If you've not tried it, I recommend that at one point you play around a little bit with the timeline element within Brizy. Great features both for vertical and horizontal. Here I have one horizontal, and to show you quickly how this works, I can select it and put it on a vertical display as well. But just to save up some real estate, let's put it here on a horizontal axis. Now I have 4 tabs here. And if you're familiar with Brizy, you will know that Brizy, these elements actually act like containers, and we call it the Brizy way. That means that even though it's a typical timeline element that you will see on many other websites, you can bring in anything into the container of this timeline element. You may run into the situation though that you have worked on one of these tabs or one of these milestones, and after a while you realize, I need to bring this one and add it between tab 2 and tab 3. To do that is really easy. Select the icon of the one that you want to move, and then you will see from the context toolbar, you have now the option to move them to the left or right. Because it's already flushed all the way to the left, it's grayed out, but you can move it one to the right. Simply click on it and there you go, as simple as that. If we put it in vertical display, then the same. Let's click on this one again, and this time we move it up. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest news, releases, and also more tutorials like this. Take care until next time.